In the 1930s, in a small village nestled between the Emerald Hills of Jamaica, there lived a passionate teacher named Judith. With her warm smile and lively spirit, she was beloved by her students at the one-room schoolhouse, a simple wooden structure with a thatched roof, where laughter mingled with the sound of rustling leaves. Judith was not just a teacher, she was a beacon of hope for her community. Many of her students came from humble backgrounds, their families working as farmers in the nearby fields. But Judith believed in the power of education to lift them higher. Every day, she would walk to school, her hair adorned with a vibrant bandana that echoed the colors of the Jamaican flag, her heart pulsing with the rhythm of island life. One sunny afternoon, while teaching the alphabet, Judith noticed a girl named Mariah sitting quietly in the back, her eyes cast down. This was unlike the curious and lively child who always raised her hand. After class, Judith approached Mariah, kneeling to meet her gaze. "Is everything all right, my dear?" she asked gently. Mariah hesitated, then whispered, "Miss Judith, my family can't afford for me to stay in school. My mother needs me to help with the farm." Judith's heart ached for the girl. "Education is your right, Mariah. We can find a way." Determined, Judith reached out to the community. She organized a small fundraising event, a lively gathering filled with music and dance in the town square. She showcased the talents of her students, and by the time the sun set, the villagers had raised enough money for Mariah's school fees, and more. With tears of joy sparkling in her eyes, Mariah ran to Judith, throwing her arms around her. "Thank you, Miss Judith. I promise I'll make you proud." Judith smiled, feeling the warmth spread through her. "You already make me proud, Mariah. Remember, you're never just a student, you are a future leader." As the seasons changed, Mariah flourished in her studies, inspired by Judith's unwavering faith in her. Judith continued illuminating minds with knowledge, instilling hope and dreams in each child's heart. Years later, as she watched her students graduate and embark on their journeys, Judith realized that she was not just teaching, she was weaving the fabric of a brighter future for Jamaica, one lesson at a time. And in that small village, amidst the laughter and the dreams shared under the turquoise skies, Judith's legacy of love and education would echo for generations to come.